Twisted Minds goes 2 for 2, being the fourth team this season to qualify para sa ating playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. Props to the rookies. Major props to the rookies. Kumbaga nagawa nila yung hindi nagawa ng AP Bren last season. Tapos naalala nyo nung in-interview ko sila during the last match of theirs. Tapos sinabi nila na hindi talaga nila in-expect na makakapasok sila ng playoffs. Pero ang binago nila was their mindset. Si Sean, na at this point sanay na yata siyang mabash pero wala siyang pake kasi alam niya naman yung ibig niyang sabihin. Sinabi nila na sa utak nila dapat ina-underestimate nila lahat ng mga team. Na mas malakas sila sa lahat ng mga team. Kasi yun yung mindset na kailangan mo para mag-champion. Lalo na merong 1 or 2 weeks na preparation, posibleng ibang twisted minds ang makita natin. Lalo na si Coach Boncha ng kanilang coach, who, by the way, we already know, that is one of the masters in terms of preparation. At ganyan na ganyan ang gagawin ng twisted minds heading into this break. Pangalawa is yung konsepto ni Coach Boncha na parang dapat hindi na lang rookie of the season, dapat rookies. Kasi para sa kanya, equally deserving sina Sean, Nosha, tsaka si Kaloy dun sa award. Si Lanzo kasi hindi na pwede kasi nag-MPL na siya nung season 12. Pero para dun sa tatlo, they've contributed in their own way. Pero kung kayo ang tatanungin, sino ba sa kanila ang dapat na rookie of the season? They're gonna be playing at the biggest stage that MPL was ever held, which is the Cuneta Astrodome. So not only should they be prepared in terms of the game, pero kailangan sanay din sila sa pressure. They have to understand that nerves are a friend in order for them to make it deep into the postseason.